Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told an artist creates prints of her latest painting to sell. The artist earns $50 for each large print she sells and $35 for each small print she sells. We're asked which of the following expressions represents the amount in dollars that she earns for selling L large prints and S small prints. So we're looking for the total earnings, and now we have to break that up and turn it into our variables. So our total earnings are going to be from large print earnings plus small print earnings, right? All the money she's earning is coming from one of these two. So when you add them together, it's going to give us the total. How do we calculate the amount of money she's making from the large prints? Well, we take the number of prints and multiply it by the price of one. So if she's selling 10 of them and she makes $5 each, she's making 10 times 5 or 50 in total. And then the same thing with the small ones. It's the number of prints she makes times the price of one. Or it's the amount she earns, but same difference here. The number of prints she's making for the large prints is L. The price of one of the large prints, or the amount she's earning, is 50. Plus the number of small prints, we're told, is S. And the amount she's earning is 35. So we have 50 times L is 50L plus S, 35 times S, 35S. This correlates with A, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.